The priests are demanding that those responsible for contaminating the sacred offerings be punished, emphasizing the need for justice and upholding the sanctity of the temple's traditions. So the visuals on your screens are from Tirupati, where the sadhus and priests are demanding action against those who have been involved in serving the adulterated prasad to devotees. Let's go across to Aneri. She's joining us live from Tirupati. Aneri, pressure is only piling on the state government to initiate a strong action against those who were responsible in the adulteration of the laddus that were served to the devotees.
Well, that's right, Samiksha. We have been seeing that how this massive controversy had taken place over the Tirumala Laddu, and amid all of that, we see that some of the sadhus here have come and they are staging protest over the Tirupati Laddu controversy. They say that they demand that the accused should be punished. Those who are involved in this adulteration of the Tirumala Laddu has to be punished, is what they have been saying. And also at the same time, what they say is that a strict action should be initiated against those accused, is what these sadhus here have to say. We'll just try and get a word from them. आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप यहाँ पर?
ये दुनिया भर करोड़ों लोगों की आस्था पर बड़ा हमला है। हम डिमांड कर रहा है कि जो तब की जो तिरुमला तिरुपति प्रसादम में जो हलाल हुआ है, हलाल हो चुका है, हलाल हो कल्ती घी उसमें मिलाकर हलाल कर चुका है, उसका हमने प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं उसके आगे। तो इसलिए हम तिरुमला जो प्रसादम रहते ना, उस उनमें उन लोगों जो किया है ना इसका, उन लोगों का हमने ईओ को और चेयरमैन को और तब की मुख्यमंत्री जगनमोहन रेड्डी पर एफआईआर करके उसका न्याय मिलना चाहिए हमको। हम डिमांड कर रहा है जो पवन कल्याण ने सनातन धर्म रक्षा बोर्ड जो बनना चाहते हैं, हम उसको डिमांड कर रहे हैं वो बनना चाहिए। और गैर हिंदू लोग जो मंदिर में रहते हैं ना, उनको जल्दी ही उन मंदिरों से निकलना देना चाहिए। गैर हिंदू लोग जो अधिकारी रहते हैं ना, उन लोगों को मंदिरों से निकलना देना चाहिए।
As you can see, Samiksha, here the sadhus here say that the accused has to be punished, and also at the same time they come in support of the Sanatan Raksha Dharma Board, which has been said by Pavan Kalyan, the Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister. Also, he has said that there should be a national level Sanatan Board. That is what they have also been saying, and they have been demanding that the accused should be punished over the adulteration of the Tirupati Laddu, the ghee which is used in Tirupati Laddu.
Right, Aneri, stay with us. In fact,